Okay, one other thing that I wanted to touch on really quick before we moved on to the next section is something that's a little bit more advanced and you're not going to really use it that much, but it is a very valuable tool that WordPress provides, and that is the editor. Both themes and plugins are authored by different people, and WordPress gives you the option to be able to edit it directly in WordPress. So if you wanted to edit a theme, you can go under Appearance and click Editor, or if you wanted to edit a plugin, you can go under Plugins and click Editor. So if you click on one of these, it'll bring up all the files within an individual theme or plugin, and you can select them right here, and it'll give you a list of all the different files that are in that plugin or in that theme, and you can click on it, it'll load it automatically. What the useful part about this is if you know any coding or if you know any HTML and you wanted to be able to do a quick edit on your site, you don't have to download the theme through FTP or download the plugin. Or if you're outsourcing, you can just give your outsourcer access to your blog and they can do it all from the back end right then and there. It saves you a lot of time and it's a very handy tool that's available, but not one that's utilized too much. So I just thought I'd touch on that really quick before we moved on to the next section, would be the editors.